Hi guys, in this video I want to show you the 8-figure e-commerce case study, and that's basically the dropshipping brand that has transitioned into e-commerce, into real brand with customer service, with a great value that it provides. So I want to show you like what I've learned from analyzing this brand, so you can take those elements and implement them into your business and evolve your brand.
You can see the name of the store is Vigo Shop, and it's basically operating in Europe in different countries. So as you can see here, it's like 13 countries here in Europe. And so if I open just for example this one, you can see all of the products that these guys sell, and I mean, like, these products are not any different from any of the products you might have seen that are selling on other dropshipping websites or on AliExpress, right? And so basically the store is something that was originally dropshipping, as I assume, and then they evolved into more like real brand, real company. And so 13 stores throughout Europe, right, as you can see here. And so to show you the traffic stats, right, just for this one, just for one of them, which is located in Poland here. And as you can see, the traffic stats are pretty impressive. 170,000 users, and majority of those are driven by social, right, like Facebook advertising specifically. So as you can see here, majority of the traffic, right? So 40% is social, then you have some people that are searching, and also some people that come from direct. So quite a lot of like traffic for such a website. They don't even utilize email, right? So which is interesting, because I mean, email can get extra few percent in sales. Email is very powerful tool. They have some display as well, but I mean, overall, it's like very powerful strategy here, right? And so that's what these guys do. Just one of their stores, and they have 13 of them. And I assume these these stores have been around like for 3-4 years since the development of dropshipping concept. And they basically, from my understanding, they scaled dropshipping concept and executed it flawlessly, right? And they approach dropshipping as a business instead of like just like most people, they approach it as a hobby, right? So their strategy for scaling is pretty straightforward. So they sell these products, and if you just go and see some of their ads, I mean, these are some of the products they sell. What's different about their approach is the creative, right? So for example, when they sell this product, it's a creative that's done by them. It's not something that, like most people, they take ads from other people, or they take ads from YouTube and then create their own like cuts from that, which is okay. But I mean, you have to evolve, right? You have to evolve into something where it's all your own content, your own creative, and something that's only belongs to you, right? And they sold these products with huge demand in markets, and they mastered content production instead of testing millions of products. So obviously they have some products in here, but you can see it's more like, they just focus on these products that are proven. They're selling them, just throughout the year, right? So that's what they do. And obviously every product has this wow effect, right? And very good creative. They're using Facebook ads as the main driver of traffic. So as you can see here, just on Facebook, just in one country, they have like 350 ads running, which is quite impressive, right? And they have different stores here. So for example, that's for another country, for Romania. And so here they have like a bit less ads, right? So I mean, different countries perform differently, but you can see here, for example, this one is quite effective and quite successful as well. So they have basically the same ads, and then they adapt them for the country, translate them. As you can see, not even translating, actually, they're all in English, right? But the ads themselves are in the language of the countries where they're advertising. And so basically they're adapting each store to its local market. It's similar to franchise. So you have McDonald's, for example, in the United States, you have McDonald's in like Europe, and obviously when they come to new countries, they have language, they have hire people locally, right? So it's basically adapting the store to its local market, and that's more like important in Europe, because there are different countries, different mentalities, different languages, right? So they have to adapt basically to that level of the that country, right? And so they're focusing on winning products heavily instead of testing a bunch of new ones. Obviously, they probably test new products, that's for sure. But from what I see, like they have a lot of different creatives for the same products, right? So for the same winning products, and their creative is like very nice. It's very, very well done. It looks professional. It doesn't look like regular dropshipping ads with a lot of like overwhelming information. It looks just like regular e-commerce brands. And so that's basically part of their strategy. They're positioning themselves as a brand instead of just as a dropshipping. So I believe the key success factors they have is fast execution, long-term thinking. So instead of just thinking how to make a few dollars in profit, they're thinking how to actually build sustainable business long-term and put this long-term business model into their business, right? And they are reinvesting into team building and processes, obviously to build business in 13 different countries, in 13 different languages. It takes a lot of team building and processes to do that. Then content production flow and process, that's very visible, right? For what they have in terms of like ads, it's very well like refined. And again, that's very professionally done here. And so they're great customer service and fast shipping, right? So if you go here, for example, one of their stores, they have this live chat support, they have phone number for support, they have free exchange or even like full return of money if you're not satisfied. And so you have all of these supports, and the shipping is quite fast. You have all of these factors and adaptability to local markets. So basically they're taking dropshipping concept to the next level. So they validated these products with dropshipping, and now they're just selling the same products but very more effectively. They have their own creative. They invest more into selling these products, providing great customer support and service, and basically getting taking that concept to the next level. And long term, I believe that's the way to go for any like dropshipping brand, like gradually evolve into like real brand where you're selling real products and maybe create products in certain niche or just overall general, but having that fast delivery, fast customer service that is actually useful for a customer. So what you can learn, it's evolve into master of content and reinvest profits fast. That's obviously creative is a very strong side for these guys, and they obviously figured it out like in different countries how to sell these products effectively. Then sell winning products, emulate winners. You can see all of the products, like you have access to them, I have access to them, but these are winners, right? This product is a winner. You have like almost everyone is like proven winners that everyone knows about, and still these guys are selling it, and almost like no one else. Like people get into these products and after 1 week like they see that these products are basically saturated, they just abandon it. So it's totally different mindset here, and always be open to new markets and channels with less competition. So let's say if you see someone that just sells certain products or certain like in certain countries, maybe there's some opportunity for you to also sell there with less competition, with less hassle, right? So always be open-minded in terms of what you can do like in different markets, because if everyone does something, then probably there is like too much competition. So maybe there are some niches or some things that you can also do with less competition. So guys, these are the lessons I see like everyone can learn from this store specifically, and I hope you learn some lessons as well. You can like reverse engineer yourself. Like this store is called Fedotoff, and just see what these guys are doing and how they selling their products. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please click subscribe button on my channel, and I'll show you more good videos, valuable videos for you, so you can learn something, you can implement, you can get great insights for your business and scale your store